Hey, what's going on, ladies and germs? So today I'm gonna teach y'all how to do two Dutch braids, cornrows. Why they Dutch? It should be African braids, or Negro braids. Don't call it Negro braids. I'm saying I do these two doogie braids. All right. Now we don't want them to look like dinosaurs. You know what I'm saying? I don't like the dinosaur braids. We're gonna do the little Bow Wow like Mike braids. You know what I'm saying? Keep them close to the scalp, along the sides. That's how I do them, anyways. All right, let's do this. Now I'm gonna go step by step. All right. The products we. I'm getting nervous. Don't get nervous. Okay. Okay. The stuff that I'm using, the tools used today will be a comb, a brush, olive oil. Keep your shit moist, and then some mimosa honey, some mimosa hair honey, for shine purposes, and moisturize and condition the fuzz after you braid it, and a black do-rag that I can't find. So let's get to it. How I started, I part my hair right down the middle. Bow. Shit. Wait, right down the middle. Bow. That's a little messed up. Hold on. Bow. Look at that. Right down the left side of my head. Okay, wait. Right there. Bow. I know what you're thinking. How the hell we gonna get in the back of the head? We can't see. Well, you just gotta trust yourself. Just trust yourself. After you got your hair parted right down the middle, you're gonna take your comb or your brush. In my case, brush. You're gonna get all these naps out. Fix your kitchen up back here, you know what I'm saying? Get the naps out. Some people say do that first. I don't do that first. It's too much hair to manage. Get all them shits out. Snap, crackle, pop. You know what I'm saying? Honey oil. This is probably not. Oh, it's for moisturizing the scalp. That is. Look at that. It all worked out. Now, normally, you would do a whole bunch of parts and just moist your scalp, moist your scalp, moist your scalp. But I never got the patience for that. Press it on in there. And then to do some more overkill, put some of this in your hair. It's time. So what we're gonna do is get like a little triangle action right here. Wow. Set it there with my thumb. Look. Didn't even need the comb. Now some people part it like this. See, but I like to part in the direction the braid is going. So I take this brush, right? Just because my hair is mad curly. That's why I keep doing that shit. Anyway, so you're going to part it like so. I got 3 parts right here. Wow. And they all going this way, right? So you got, y'all probably can't see this. My hair is dark. See them strands? Top, middle, end. I'm going to switch the top and the middle. Switch. And I'm going to grab myself some hair. Wait. Wow. Use my pinky to grab that top braid. Take some hair. You know what I'm saying? Grab some hair. Grab a little bit of the fro. You know what I'm saying? Mix it in with that top hair. Bow. And mix that with the middle one. Bow. Right? Is that right? I don't know. Switch that top and the middle one, right? Shit.
Take the top strand, bring it under and inside.
My arm hurts. Now we take the top strand, we mix some hair in that bitch, and we do that. Wow. You mix that in, right? Wow. You take some more hair, and you mix that in, right? Did you do this? Did I kind of do it? What's happening? Did I do it? I missed some hair. Wait, go back. You somehow ended up with a braid. Dizzy. Why am I dizzy? I know usually you'd be able to see the hair. See the nice braid, but you know, we just gonna say my hair. What the fuck is that? It's supposed to come out like that. It's supposed to do that. Why am I so dizzy? What did I do? I can't see. triangle action going. And then, same thing we did, rinse and repeat. It's so hot. I tend to tighten the braid every time I... Oh, we can kind of see the braid. Kind of, sort of. And why this one's shorter? We got some Dutch action going. Hey, I didn't even know I was Dutch. Why this one? This one a little tighter to the head than this one. Why? Let's fix this. And there you have... And there you have it. We did 2 Dutch braids. I can kind of see what was happening. This one is just lost in translation. I don't even know. Let's throw some olive oil juice. Maybe the olive oil juice. Please make it shiny. You know? So hey y'all, that's my video. We did it. We did the hair, we braided it. It's gonna be looking fresh tomorrow morning after that do-rag is put on. I promise you that. Give this video a thumbs up for me teaching you how to do a Dutch-ish braid. And subscribe, and also check out my social media. Alright, myself and Mateo, Twitter and Instagram. Check out hilarious stories like this one. I'm about to prepare myself to look very fresh tomorrow, and holla at y'all next time. Alright y'all, peace out. As always, love y'all. I don't say that always, but that's why it's special. So, peace.